Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor. Today we are going to see the new AWS Console Home. And I will explain you what all new features are included in this new console. So let's first see. So basically, recently AWS launched a new version of AWS Management Console, and using which the homepage of the console, customers can have access to each service console and it offers a single place to access the information they need to perform their AWS related tasks. So earlier what we used to do is there were different links through which the other information was accessible, but now it is on a single page. And basically AWS has worked hard and they have revamped its interface with the new console homepage. The earlier version of the console showed the most recently used services and a set of static links organized in sections such as getting started, with AWS, build a solution, or explore AWS with links to training courses. So, yet, based on the customer feedback and user data, the company decided to redesign the console homepage. So, now the new homepage shows widgets by default, and they recently visited Welcome to AWS, AWS Health, cost and usage reports. Okay, build a solution, trusted advisor, explore AWS. However, these widgets can be moved and it can be rearranged probably through the actions button. Furthermore, these widgets can be added. Okay, and currently only the favorites. You can only add these widgets in the favorites. However, the company stated will be more. They are planning to add more soon. And lastly, the new console home is available in all AWS regions at no additional cost. That's great. Probably it's because of this new AWS console, I was about to save $60 uh, since I was able to see all this information on a single page. So let's see how the new console looks. So this is the recently visited services. Okay, it shows this section. So this is the welcome to AWS part where it shows the welcome links. You can see this AWS Health over here. Okay, it shows health of the schedule changes and other notifications. This cost and usage. So you will be able to see all the cost and usage uh, over here. Top cost of current month. You can see the top cost for the current month over here. Next is build a solution. These are the quick links for building a solution. The great feature is you can also see the trusted advisor over here. Okay, and this is Explore AWS. So I'll quickly log into my AWS console and show you how exactly it looks and how it works. So here I am logged into my new AWS console home. Okay, it shows this recently visited services over here. You can see the actions button over here. Okay, it has this add a widget option. You can also reset to the default layout. You can revert to legacy console home. So if if you're not comfortable with using this new version, you can switch back to the legacy console home from here. These are the welcome links, the AWS Health over here. Okay, you can also remove this widget if you don't want it. Okay, this is the cost and usage. Okay, top costs of the current month. Next is the build a solution links. Okay, you can quickly launch a virtual machine, start a development project with CodeStar, and connect an IoT device and so on, like till migrating to AWS. You can also remove this widget and you can also change the size of this widget accordingly. Okay. Next is the trusted advisor. So it shows you the recommendations over here. Okay, and this is the Explore AWS. So like training, skills, and certification links. You will be able to find it over here. So in case if you want to see any other new widget, you can contact AWS using this link and suggest what widgets you want. You can also click on add widgets and favorites. Okay, so this is the favorites. Okay, you can favorite a service. Let's say I'm going in the EC2, and let me just see if I can. 1 second. Okay, so from the services, if you click on any of these services, you can favorite it, and if you now move back to the console, new AWS console, under favorites, you will be able to see these three services. Okay, so this is how the favorites widget work. Only currently they have allowed this favorites widget, but they're planning to add more. Okay, using here. So this is the quick glance at the new AWS Console Home. So that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video.